Setting selling prices for products or services is a critical aspect of running a successful business. It requires careful consideration of various factors to ensure that your prices are competitive, profitable, and align with your business goals. Setting prices. Here are some key steps to help you set prices effectively. Understand your costs. It's essential to have a clear understanding of the costs associated with producing or delivering your product or service. This includes direct costs such as materials, labor, and overhead, as well as indirect costs such as marketing and administrative expenses. Calculate your total costs and factor them into your pricing strategy. Research the market. Conduct market research to determine the prices charged by your competitors for similar products or services. This will give you an idea of the price range in your industry and help you position your offerings competitively. Consider your unique value proposition and any additional features or benefits you provide to differentiate yourself from the competition. Determine your pricing objectives. Define your pricing objectives based on your business goals. Are you aiming for maximum profitability, market share growth, or a balance between the two? Your pricing strategy should align with these objectives. For example, if you want to penetrate a new market, you may choose to set lower prices to attract customers initially. Consider customer value. Understand the perceived value of your product or service to your target customers. Price elasticity, or the sensitivity of demand to price changes, plays a crucial role here. If your product is highly differentiated or offers unique benefits, you may be able to charge a premium price. Conversely, if your product is commoditized or easily substitutable, you may need to set lower prices to remain competitive. Determine your pricing approach. There are several pricing approaches you can consider, depending on your business model and market dynamics. Some common approaches include cost-based pricing, setting prices based on cost plus a desired profit margin, value-based pricing, setting prices based on the perceived value to the customer, and competitive pricing, setting prices based on what your competitors are charging. Test and monitor. It's important to regularly review and adjust your pricing strategy based on feedback and market conditions. Conduct pricing experiments, gather customer feedback, and track sales and profitability to assess the effectiveness of your pricing strategy. Be flexible and willing to make changes as needed to optimize your pricing approach. Remember, setting prices is a continuous process that requires careful analysis and adjustment. By considering your costs, market dynamics, customer value, and pricing objectives, you can set prices that are both competitive and profitable for your business.